Start by going to Bluetooth and right click and then show Bluetooth device, and then you right click, remove device, hit yes. Then on the headphones, switch it to on, and then hold down the center button until these lights start flashing rapidly, like that. Then set it down. Right. And go back to the Bluetooth. Right click, add Bluetooth device, audio video device, and it will come up with this, and so you click on it and say next. And it will say it's paired, hit finish, and you'll see this down here. It might pop up and say something about how it wasn't fully installed, but it will still work. You'll get that, and then you might get something saying there's something wasn't fully installed, but it will still work. And the way to make sure it's working is when you click on the volume, you'll see the headsets up here. And see, that's what the device driver software not successfully installed. Don't worry about that. It's the microphone and headphones work.